Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus. With 6 useful cooking functions: air frying, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and reheating, and a 4-quart basket, you really can't go wrong with this countertop air fryer. This appliance displays instant brand smart engineering at its best, as the machine crisps up food evenly and exceptionally well. Its sleek, stainless steel design gives it a sophisticated look compared to plastic air fryers. The machine has a helpful preheating phase that takes just a few minutes and ensures your food comes out delightfully golden brown and crisp all over. Number 2. Ninja DZ201 FOODi. For big households and busy parents, this 2-zone basket-style air fryer can be a lifesaver. The 2 baskets run completely independently, so you can cook 2 separate meal components at the same time, using distinct cooking functions. And the best part is that thanks to Ninja's Smart Finish features, both baskets will be hot and ready to enjoy at the same time. And NBSP, each basket has a 4-quart capacity, which is large enough to hold 4 pounds of frozen fries or chicken wings, which feeds about 4 people. The air fryer has 6 functions, including dehydrating, air broiling, roasting, reheating, and baking. That means you can bake a cake for 2 and air fry crispy burgers at the exact same time. Number 3. Instant Vortex 2. If you want a high-quality crisping appliance that won't dominate your countertops, the miniature Instant Vortex is what you're looking for. This 2-quart air fryer is high-performing and even offers for cooking functions: air frying, broiling, roasting, and reheating, without a bulky frame. Because of its small size, the machine can also heat up very quickly and circulate air faster than larger models, which helps your food cook faster and more evenly. For safety, the appliance has built-in overheat protection and will automatically shut off at the end of your cooking time. The simple digital touchscreen couldn't be easier to operate, with well-labeled buttons and a single knob to manipulate the time and temperature. The basket and crisping rack are both dishwasher safe, and the machine comes in for attractive color options. It's also the easiest air fryer on this list to store, with a slim profile that won't take up your entire pantry or countertop. Number 4. COSORI Smart. Control your cooking from afar with this Wi-Fi-enabled air fryer from COSORI. The appliance can connect directly to Alexa or a Google Assistant, so you can even go totally hands-free in the kitchen. The app is also stocked with over 100 recipes for endless meal inspiration. The 5.8-quart basket is a great size for 4 people and is large enough to hold an entire roast chicken. The appliance's touch screen has 11 icons that correspond to built-in cooking presets for common ingredients like fries, green veggies, and bacon. You can use COSORI's suggested temperatures and cooking times, or you can override the system and dial in your own settings to match a recipe. The cooking basket and rack are non-stick coated and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and the appliance is fueled by 120 volts of power, making this one of the faster air fryers we tested. Number 5. Tasti. This compact air fryer from Dash does away with the bells and whistles of pricier options without sacrificing results. Though you won't find buttons for broiling or dehydrating on this lightweight appliance, it does its one job: air frying, like a pro. The machine has 2 controls, a 30-minute timer and a temperature control dial. This minimalist design makes it one of the easiest air fryers to operate, perfect for first-timers. The machine also has a 2.6-quart basket, which is a good size for 1 to 2 people. It's very lightweight and easy to store, making this a great choice for travel, RVs, campers, and college dorm rooms. The air fryer also comes in 7 colors, including a cute retro teal and fire engine red, to match any design scheme.